Hey, what's up guys, we are on to our next video and today's topic is going to be on product research checklist. Firstly, you have to choose product from my recommended category that I mentioned to you earlier in my previous video. Next, you have to choose price from $15 to $45. The reason I'm setting this 15 to 45 range is if you choose to sell less than $15, there are many fees to consider selling on Amazon. That may be like referral fees, inventory replacement fees, closing fees. So if you sell less than $15, profit margin on future will be less on the product. Next, accept 3 out of first listing page on Amazon will have less than 80 reviews. The reason this is because when you open a product on Amazon.com and you check that product on Jungle Scout Chrome extensions and first listing page that pops up, only 3 listings will have more than 80 reviews, others will have less than 80 reviews, because if there will be more than 80 reviews it will be hard for you to get rank on future. Next is 7 out of first listing page. Search a product on Amazon.com and you search that product on Jungle Scout Chrome extension. That first listing should have more than 250 sales per month. The reason I'm setting this criteria is because if you don't find a product that has more than 250 sales per month, then it won't get you more sales on Amazon and that product won't be worth selling. Next, revenue should be of minimum 5,000. When you search a product on Amazon.com and you open Jungle Scout Chrome extension, if the product has more of the listings have more than 5,000 revenue per month, then there will be chances of making more money on that product. No big brands will be selling the product. The reason I'm telling you this is because if the big brand is selling the product, then you can compete with big brands that have been selling on Amazon for many and many years. So it's better to stay away from the product that big brands are selling on. Next, this will not have more than 3 listings from same seller on first listing page. There is more than 3 listings from same seller, there won't be much room for improvement for a product. They have already been dominating the market, so it's better to stay away from product that the listing has more than 3 same sellers. It's better to stay away from that product. Next, listing quality. The lower the better of a competitor. When you find a product on Amazon.com and you search it on Jungle Scout Chrome extension, then if you find the listing quality tab and if you search down, then you will see there will be a rating like 3.5 to 5, and if the listing quality is higher, then there won't be much room for improvement on a product. So the lower the listing quality, the better. Next, top 3 related keywords will have more over 40,000 monthly searches on keyword research tool like keyword research tool, like keyword inspector and merchant words. If a listing and the related keywords has more than 40,000 monthly searches, then that product will have more demand and growth on future. Next, there should not be patents on a product. You can search it from googlepatents.com. And nextly, no trademarks. You can search trademarks from upsto.com. Next will be gated categories. You can search this from Google and you search gated categories on Amazon. So I will be covering this all topic on my next videos. So not a restricted product. The products will not be restricted. The way to search is same, like you have to go to google.com and you have to search restricted products on Amazon. Next, a product will not be fragile product. The reason this is because if you sell a fragile product, the chances of getting it damaged will be higher when you ship that product from China to your desired marketplace like USA. It can get more damaged while transporting it from China, so it will be loss for you and your business. So you should not be considered selling a fragile product. The product lighter and smaller the better. The reason the products will be lighter and smaller is because you have to consider Amazon placement fees. So if you have a smaller and lighter product, the fees will be lower according to your size, weight. One thing you have to keep in mind is weight will be below 1.5 pounds of a product. If you find more than 1.5, maximum number can be go up to 2 pounds. If you consider selling more than 2 pounds, then the fees will be too higher on Amazon. So a product should have good profit margins. You can check a profit if a product is profitable or not from Amazon Fba Calculator. You can search it on Google, Amazon Fba Calculator, and the first one pops up. And a product should not be seasonal, as I mentioned earlier on my previous video. Next, products should be simple and durable. The reason this is because if you sell a product that has many parts, it can get lost on the way from when shipping from China to USA, and when Amazon fulfills your product, it can be the product parts may get lost on the way, so you will get more order defect rate or more returns on the product. So it should be a simple and durable product. Next and last one is BSR. BSR should be below 5,000. BSR stands for bestseller rank. When you search a product on Amazon.com, and if you find a product and you open it on Chrome extension, more of the products will have less than 5,000 BSR. We have to consider at least three products. At least three products should have less than 5,000 BSR. The reason this is because if a product has less than 5,000 BSR, then that products will have more demand on Amazon.com or any other marketplace. So you have to consider all this checklist that I have shown you. So consider this checklist, or you can write this down or note it anywhere else, or take a screenshot